And who said BGS use all the best kit? Bit of garden hose. The cheapest car battery available in Iceland.
Seems to be doing the job okay.
It's doing the job fine. Cheap and cheerful. It's just dispelling myths about BGS being overfunded. Ah, but hang on. Hang on. Nice little meters. That's the expensive kit. I'm guessing that's not cheap either.
No. But they use an awful lot.
But they use an awful lot, says Alan.
All around Scotland.
All around Scotland. Africa, do you take these to Africa?
That's Africa, yeah. So the idea is here is to take samples that have not had any contact with air since they've left the bottom of the river. This is to measure dissolved gases, so looking at dissolved chlorofluorocarbon, CFCs, in the water. So that means you put the water into one tin, it's like Russian dolls. Put it into one tin here, then it overflows into another tin, then it overflows the bucket, and then you know that there's actually no contact with air at all. But it does mean that at some point I'm going to have to put my hands into 0.5 degree water, which I'm not going to enjoy very much. So that's where, back at the lab, Dan and George will measure the CFCs from this container, and it overflows into that one, which then overflows into the bucket. So it's a really secure way of taking water samples without connection with air. There's no air bubbles. Oh, that is cool! Now, the nasty clip that doesn't often work properly.
See, I thought this was going to be about a 20-second video, but no, we're up to a minute 45 now.
Oh, no, it didn't work. A minute 45. My hands are so cold.
There are times where I'm really glad I'm a glacial geomorphologist. So I'll see if I can get a close-up in your face to the grimacing.
It is cold, and I thought we had it. Oh, wait. Now there's a happy smile.
A happy smile.
I've just got to do it again now for the SF6.
But you said you were doing 5 at each point.
Not anymore.
I was.
I don't think any more samples. That's it. So, we're measuring alkalinity of the water in the field, because it will change by the time you get it back to the laboratory. The alkalinity will change. So we add a little bit of indicator to the water. We've got some acid here, very dilute, sulfuric acid, and I just slowly titrate or add the acid into the mixture. And when it gets to a certain pH, so when all the alkalinity is used up, then the indicator should change colour.
Not just a clever name then.
So you might begin, you can see slight small changes in colour at the moment, but it's not throughout the whole of it. Oh, give it a little shiggle. Changes. That's it, change to yellow, right there. So there you go.
You have such a great job.
Doing that in the field's great fun. Really exciting bit. And you can scare people by doing this, children by doing this. If it is yellow, if you add the water back in again, it should turn back blue again. So just by adding normal water into this, it turns back to blue. And that's magic. Well, that's chemistry.
That's chemistry in action.
Yeah.
That's magic, he says.